Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you what Ollama Cloud is. Ollama Cloud is a service that makes using large language models really easy, even if your computer isn't super powerful. It supports models like GPT-OSS, Gemma 3, DeepSeek R1, Qwen 3, and more, letting you run them without needing a high-end GPU. You can download Ollama on macOS, Windows, or Linux, and then either run models locally or use Ollama's cloud models for better performance and larger models that wouldn't fit on a personal computer. With Ollama Cloud, you can access models through their cloud directly or via API. The cloud handles the heavy computing while letting you keep using your tools locally. It also supports streaming, which means you can see text or responses appear in real time as the model thinks, including partial messages, reasoning steps, or tool outputs. Some models even handle vision, so you can send images for classification, description, or Q&A alongside text. Overall, Ollama Cloud is ideal in 2026 if you want the power of advanced language models without needing expensive hardware. It's great for developers, researchers, and anyone who wants seamless integrations with their workflows while running larger models efficiently. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.